Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your Midea U Shaped air conditioner to your iPhone using the latest setup process. So first of all, you need to begin by turning on your Midea U Shaped air conditioner, and you need to also keep your iPhone close to the unit. Instead of searching for any random media application, you need to scan the QR code which will be printed on your owner's manual and the quick start guide. Many of the newer Midea U Shaped models now directly direct you to the correct companion application through the QR code. Now, once you have basically installed the application, you need to create your account. If you already have an account, you can sign in into it. Now, when you are inside, simply press this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. When prompted, you need to allow the app to use the Bluetooth, the nearby devices, and the local network permissions. Now, these permissions are required so that your iPhone can detect the air conditioner during the initial setup. After doing so, you need to simply just choose the split air type AC or the room air conditioner from the given list depending on what appears in the application. Now, afterwards, you just have to confirm the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and wait while the application automatically connects you to your air conditioner. So during this process, you just have to keep in mind to basically keep your phone close to the unit and avoid switching to another application. So once the setup is completed successfully, you can give your air conditioner a custom name, and after giving it a name, you can just simply going to see these types of buttons over here. So these are the plus and the minus buttons that you can use in order to increase or decrease the temperature. You will also be able to basically change the cooling mode and the fan mode, so you will be able to operate it via your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.